Welcome to Dorman Products Loaded Knuckle installation video for the Ford Escape. This installation is considered to be of medium difficulty by our technicians and should take you from 1 to 1.5 hours to complete. With the vehicle securely lifted and the wheel removed, begin by spraying penetrating lubricant on any nuts or bolts that will be loosened or removed during this procedure. Remove the brake caliper from its mounting bracket and hang it securely from a fixed location to prevent stretching or twisting the brake line. Remove the brake rotor and set aside. Remove the cotter pin from the tie rod end and then remove the castle nut. Next, remove the nut and bolt retaining the ball joint at the knuckle. Loosen the bolt retaining the ABS sensor and carefully pry the sensor from the knuckle, being careful not to damage its electrical harness. Separate the ball joint and tie rod end from the knuckle, using only as much force as necessary to pop them out of position. Remove the hub retaining nut. Then loosen the 2 bolts securing the knuckle to the strut assembly. Press the axle shaft through the wheel hub, using light force as necessary. Separate the lower ball from the knuckle assembly, spreading the base of the knuckle and applying force as needed to break the joint free. To install the new loaded knuckle, reassemble in the reverse order of disassembly. Applying anti-seize to all metal-to-metal surfaces. Torque all hardware to manufacturer's specs according to the workshop manual.